Well, hello, ice fans, and welcome back to the 2026 championships. We're just getting started here. I have some people have asked me, where do we get these big blocks of ice? How do we get these, get them so big? And the answer is, we cut them out of a lake, actually a gravel pit. About 7 miles east of here, there is a gravel pit that every year we go down and blow the snow off of that ice, off of that pond, and then we cut those blocks out and lift them out with a forklift.
Right now, you gotta run the saw.
So, how many blocks today?
So far, we've got about 80 with maybe about 20 more to cut.
20 more?
We got that last row, but we have so many floating.
So, what time did you guys start this morning?
9.
9 o'clock?
Yeah, well, we started, the saw started going maybe 9:30.
Uh-huh. That's where it's just started getting light, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For YouTube?
Yep.
Right on.
So, how things are going out here?
Great. Got the slide almost exactly as we want it. We been icing up the side of it. You can see how the ice is getting pretty good and thick. But we do have some rough bits from our prior work, and we've got some divots. And I'll be taking this slush to fill in these divots and to smooth it all out. Give everybody a nice smooth riding experience.
Ride down, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, good deal. Well, this is different, it's facing a different direction and everything. We have a couple of weeks before we open, so okay, so I misspoke. I thought this was going to be the little kids park. So this is where
the
they
little
put.
kids park. Take a stroll that way. We kind of reversed everything this year. We put
so
the stage on this side, and kids park's going to be down there, closer to the visitor entrance, so they can have a lot of fun.
That's great.
Absolutely. Rock on, everybody.
All right.
Snow business, Steve.
This is your slab cutter, huh?
Yeah, this is the old square blocks. So the blocks come out perfectly square. So we stack them on the stage and butt them. They're perfectly 90 degrees all around. Rather than the wonkiness of some of those old timer cuts.
Yeah, so then they don't lean.
That's right. No lean, they butt, they marry nice. A lot less nail board,
Yeah, good deal.
We're gonna build us a snowman.
How's it going?
Good.
What are you? What is that? It's a sled dog.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a sled dog. I'm modeling it after my own dog, so
Oh,
I'm trying my
nice.
best to get her in there.
So how is it owning a dog like that? They have a lot of energy.
Yeah, my dog's not a sled dog, but she's a hunting dog from Japan.
Uh-huh.
And they look really husky-ish, so
Oh.
yeah,
Kind
just
of
trying
like
to capture like a happy dog running.
like Hitachi.
Oh yeah, what's his name? It's not Hitachi. It's
Well, that was a movie.
yeah. I think it might be a different name, but
Oh yeah.
yeah. She looks like this. Sorry. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Shikoku.
Yeah. Nice.
Thanks. Trying to get her in there. It's my last night, so I have a competition in Connecticut in 2 days. This is kind of like my
Oh.
practice.
I see.
Yeah.
So you're heading out tonight.
Yeah, I'm flying out.
So how long have you been here?
2 weeks. I
2
just
weeks?
did 2 weeks this year. Yeah, had a great time at boot camp.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Well, we'll hope to see you back again.
Thanks, Steve.
Okay. Okay, I'm not going to take you all the way through the whole park because it's just oceans of blocks of ice. Each of these blocks weighs over 4,000 pounds. And like I said before, the first event will be the multi-block. And that's always an exciting event because there's a lot of high lifts using rigged crane attachments and people on high up on scaffolding. From there, it will go into the double block and then into the single block, each one adding more elegant pieces. The single block, being the last one, is single artist, single block, and those are usually the most intricate and delicate works. So until then, I'm Steve Iverson signing off for now, and hopefully some of you will get to visit us and see this in person because it's quite a spectacular sight. So until the next one, stay warm, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.